Hello design enthusiasts, welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Would subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. At its core, a minimalist living room is defined by the principle of less is more. It isn't just about having an empty room, it's about the intentional curation of space. Minimalism focuses on simplicity, clean lines, and a monochromatic palette with color used only as an accent. It strips away the unnecessary layers of ornamentation to highlight the architectural beauty of the room and the essential quality of the furniture. In a minimalist setting, every object must serve a purpose, either functional or aesthetic, ensuring that the space feels breathable, light, and entirely uncluttered. It is a design philosophy that values quality over quantity, emphasizing the beauty of open space as much as the items within it. Choosing a minimalist approach for your living area offers profound benefits that extend far beyond just looking trendy. From a psychological perspective, a clutter-free environment significantly reduces visual noise, which can lower cortisol levels and help you feel more relaxed after a long day. Physically, minimalist rooms are much easier to clean and maintain, as there are fewer surfaces to dust and less stuff to move around. Additionally, minimalism makes a room feel significantly larger and airier, which is a massive advantage for those living in smaller apartments or urban homes. By focusing on high-quality essential pieces, you also save money in the long run by avoiding the cycle of buying cheap, trendy knickknacks that eventually end up in the trash. It's a sustainable, peaceful way to live that fosters clarity of mind. The secret to making a minimalist living room look intentional rather than empty lies in the use of texture and light. To start, stick to a neutral base. Think whites, creams, or soft grays, but layer different materials to add depth. For example, smooth leather sofa paired with a chunky wool throw and a jute rug creates visual interest without needing bright colors. Use natural light as a primary design element by keeping window treatments minimal or sheer. When it comes to wall art, choose one large, impactful piece instead of a gallery wall to maintain a single focal point. Incorporating a few indoor plants can also breathe life into the space, adding a touch of organic color that softens the sharp lines of modern furniture. The goal is to create a balance where the room feels warm and inviting, yet remains strictly organized and spacious. When selecting items for a minimalist space, prioritize functionality and sleek silhouettes. A low-profile, neutral-colored sofa serves as the perfect anchor for the room. Look for hidden storage furniture, such as coffee tables with secret compartments or sleek wall-mounted cabinets to keep daily clutter out of sight. Lighting should be architectural and understated. Think slim floor lamps or recessed LED strips that highlight the room's perimeter, or textiles. High-quality linen curtains and a single high-pile rug can add the necessary comfort without overwhelming the senses. Avoid small decorative trinkets. Instead, choose one or two statement items, like a sculptural vase or a designer lounge chair, to reflect your personality while maintaining the room's streamlined integrity. Minimalism is more than just a design trend. It is a lifestyle choice that invites peace and intentionality into your home. By focusing on the essentials, you create a sanctuary that reflects who you are without the distraction of excess. Your living room should be a place where you can breathe, think, and truly relax. Remember, the most beautiful thing you can put in a room is the space itself. Thank you for joining us today on Interior Decor Designs as we explore the elegance of the minimalist home. If you found these minimalist tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more home inspiration. We want to hear from you. Are you a fan of the less is more look, or do you prefer a more maximalist vibe? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next video.